consumer may have a perception that when their vehicle is getting repaired, to a degree, they may picture a caveman swinging a hammer, beating on their car, where it couldn't be the farthest from the truth.
You actually have to be a thinker today to be a successful technician. You need to have basic math skills, communication skills, and highly analytical. Cars are very complex. You need to actually sit down and think about how things come apart and go together. It's not like it used to be 20 or 30 years ago where just anyone could walk in and disassemble a vehicle and put it back together. Vehicles are very complex today, so you have to really engage your brain when you hit our doors.
It's changed a lot since I started. It's been, anywhere from the technology, the computers, diagnostic equipment, the frame straightening equipment, digital photography, the paint booths. Before you just pulled a curtain and painted a car, and now you actually put it into an oven and bake it.
The cars are so much different today than they were back then. Safety features have changed things for us drastically. Metals they're working with, the way they're building a car even, and a lot of different things as far as technology changing how we do our jobs too.
Every aspect of it's changed. From the way we repair the cars themselves, what they're made out of, the way that claims are handled, customer service taken to a higher level. So things have just expanded in all aspects.
I would say the biggest changes that I have seen are the shift in our focus going more towards customer service.
Soft skills are extremely important today. Customers are more demanding of body shops and technicians, and I think that if a owner of a Lexus or a Mercedes comes in, he or she may want to meet the technician that's working on the vehicle, and it's important that the technician does have basic communication skills and is able to communicate effectively.
Somebody that is a good self-motivator, good problem-solving skills, I think, is probably number one. Willingness to learn. So like I said, everything's changing. Technology is always moving forward, and they need to be able to learn and move with it.
Somebody really that is driven, very motivated, pays a lot of attention to details. Somebody that is a self-starter and not afraid to ask questions when something is not clear. Somebody that likes to be a problem solver, likes to work with their hands.
Honest, hardworking, someone that's teachable, good communication skills.
First of all, motivated individuals. I believe we can train anybody. I need a person that has the want and the will, need to be good with their hands, good with their minds. Understanding it takes a special person. You've got to be organized. You've got to be intelligent. You're going to be on the computer constantly. These cars are all formatted and programmed through computers. There's incredible technology here, and somebody who's bright and gifted in this new technology will shine in this industry. They really, really will.
This is an exciting time to be in any auto body field. The demand nationwide for auto body is gigantic. It is the biggest it's been since I've been in the industry, with some of the technician earning as much as $90,000 a year.
You got a lot of older guys that they're advancing towards retirement. We need some young guys to get in there and be ready to go, take that next step. I see endless opportunities because things change so much. If you want to stick with the times and know what's going on, you can always progress.
Many of our management and front office staff actually started out as technicians out in our production workforce, and really focusing on their professional growth and paying attention to what was going on around them has really set a lot of people up for a shift into management type roles.
It's very critical to stay on top of current technology. Technology evolves at a lightning speed, and it's important for us as an institution to stay up on the technology so we can filter that down to the student, so when he or she goes into the collision shop that they're aware of what's going on in the shop before they even get there. We have one of the state-of-the-art facilities with some of the best equipment out there. We are one of the few schools in the state of Illinois that offer a true waterborne paint system. Our placement rating is very, very high. Coming out of our 2-year program, I have no problem placing each one of our students in any position that they feel they want to pursue.